everyone, welcome back to Violet Artistry. Today it's just a little play around with a few products that I've loved for a while. I'm really late on this one, the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. I've heard so many great things. It's been around for nearly 2 years now, but I just now gotten around. So I've been playing with that for this month and really love it. And then I think I have finally found my Your Lips But Better lipstick. So that's again one of my favorites and the star of the show today. I've ordered a few things from Violette, and this Yeux Paint I am just utterly in love with. I don't care that it's metallic. I'm going to wear it full on full day. So today I went with a little soft hazy smokiness, and yeah, let's get started and let's put these products to the test. Okay, well, let's start with my skin prep. I'm using today Ilia True Skin Radiant Priming Serum. It's firming, so to speak. It says it's firming, but I do feel like it kind of tightens everything almost too much, where I feel like it's a little too tacky almost. So you know what? I'm going to use a few drops in my problem zone, because I know that right here around the nose and where my bigger pores are, right here, and then in between my eyebrows here. I felt that when I put this all over my face, especially around the eyes, it was a little too tightening, too drying almost. But the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint really just, they're like a sticks to this primer. So obviously they were meant to work together. So I'm going to shake this really good. And I thought any beauty sponge would absorb a lot, but it doesn't. I feel like it's much better when I apply it with a sponge than I did when I tried it with my fingers. So I'm going to just tap this in. I'm just amazed at this glow, and also I was very surprised to see that it does very much so cover, and you can build it up. I'm going to conceal more my blemishes, but for right now I'm not worried about it. This is really nice. It covered almost all my marks except this one, and I just can't get over this natural glow. Let's conceal. I believe I have picked up the wrong concealer from my drawer. I have two Ilia concealers, and one is just a tiny bit lighter than the other, and I think I grabbed the darker one. Yep. But we're gonna just make it happen. We might be able to cover that. Okay, that is it. Let's blend it and just gently press this into the skin. The products work so beautifully together. Really, really love how it leaves the skin with natural dewiness. I really love how this works. It's just the skin looks perfect, as in very natural, concealer covered, and I don't want to powder much. I just, it's so light, so I am going to take just a little bit of the KOSAS cloud powder, only because it's so just invisible. It's so invisible. It's invisible on the skin. And just a little bit under the eye, not too much. And I'm trying not to go too close to the lash line, because now all those wrinkles. And then I'm going to powder a little bit around the nose here, obviously, so we don't look greasy. And my chin, because I did try to cover all the blemishes, so I don't want anything moving around product-wise. I'm gonna do this. And now I'm just gonna, a little bit here. I'm gonna back up from the mirror a little bit and just kind of see where I don't like the shine, which is kind of around my mouth and right here. But I think I'm going to leave it as is, and before I continue with my skin, yeah, let's put a little bronzer, because why not? It's spring and it's nice outside. I'm pale, so let's go in with the Ilia bronzer, and going to just very gently, not contour, just give myself, there you go, a little bit on the cheeks, a little bit under and a little bit on the cheeks. Give myself a little natural glow. So I want to go like I would if I would contour, but I'm brushing the product up and a little bit on my cheeks, just so I can get the glow, the highest points there where normally I would get hit by the sun. So a little bit around the nose and forehead. And to give some glow and color to my cheeks, I'm going to use the LILAH B highlighter in Be Captivating, which has a touch of bronze into it. So let's give ourselves even more glow. Okay, this is really beautiful, if I can say so myself. Okay, we like, and then go a little bit to the eyebrow bone. Such a nice natural glow. I am so excited. I've only played with this product on the back of my hand. It is the Violette Yeux Paint, and I am going to just go to town with this because the color, I'm obsessed. I love. Okay, now that's that. I'm going to take my, I think this is a Persona brush, and literally pat the root of the lashes and then blend. Oh, can you see how beautiful this is? I can't. Oh. I purchased the navy one too, dark navy, and I cannot wait to do dark navy smoky eye. So now I'm just going to blend this. I don't mind going in a little high. Just want to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Didn't want to get messy. I love everything about this. I'm gonna add a little bit of my bronzer into the crease. You don't have to. This is pretty much done as far as I'm concerned. You don't have to. I just know that my eyelids get a little bit oily, so I just want to right here in the crease lay out a little bronzer, a little powder. And then for the underneath, I kind of like the whole show that it's okay. Let's just do underneath as well. Why not? I'm gonna go like a little drop and then blend. Because it's just beautiful. You don't need any other reason. A little bit of powder. Again, you don't have to use the powder. The eyeshadow sets beautifully, and I actually don't mind that rock and roll lived in eye, but I'm just playing around today. Ooh. Well, I'm wearing glasses lately, so now I need contacts because I cannot see one thing. Okay, a little bit of powder. And then let's give these lashes a good curl and coat them with a beautiful jet black mascara. And yeah, I think we're done. I'm not going to add any falsies or anything. I like how just naturally, and I love how this eyeshadow makes my eyes a little greener, a little more hazily than they usually are. I'm going to finish off with a touch of color on the lips, just my lips but better type of thing. And I think I'm gonna add the same color on the cheeks a little bit because I feel, yeah, a little bit pale. So I had a little, I keep saying a little, I really need to avoid that word. I had some lip balm. So now that my lips are nice and moisturized, I can just pat this a little. Did I just say a little again? Yeah. Okay. And just the top lip, give myself a nice contour. And then with the fingers, just pat. Take the excess and give myself a little color on the cheeks. Here we go. I think this is perfect. Glowy cheeks, bronzed, fresh complexion. I think we've achieved what we set out to today. I'm really impressed. I am so late on this Ilia Super Skin Serum Skin Tint train, but I'm happy I finally got it, and it's made my day. I feel so fresh. I wanted to say young, but oh well, and young. And yeah, that was all for today. Just a little get ready. I have no idea where I'm going, but I really wanted to play with all these products that I've loved so much. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.